Hello. So, you're sitting in the plants. Recorder standing here. These are my mini monitors, of which I would love to sell them if someone can use them at least with a DSP. Then please contact me. They're, not in the, they're not like finished by far, but it's just standing here, and I want to continue making other stuff as well. Besides, I'm pretty busy and they're just standing here, not using them. And then I decided, let's listen to some songs on them, and then I was quite surprised, as usual, if you're listening, did not listen to it for a while, and it's quite interesting. Anyhow, I found some new music, a few songs that are new to me and quite cool. So I thought, I don't have time to build much at the moment, but I can play some tunes, just like the old days, just like before. And maybe you like them, maybe you hate them. I mean, I know some people will hate them, because it's all only female vocals and probably will some sort of indie stuffy, I don't know. It's just music I listen to. I don't, it's just the way it is. Anyhow, let's put this on record. The recorder is standing just a little bit in front of my couch. I changed the crossover a little bit, and it's crossed at 1100 for the tweeter, which is rather low. Lincoln's Riley, so it's already 6 dB down at 1100, I believe. And the woofer is crossed at 775, also Lincoln's Riley, and what it does is kind of rolls off the 600, 500-ish range. So there is, you would expect a gap, but since there is a baffle diffraction or baffle step, diffraction of baffle step, I believe, it kind of adds up and becomes okayish. I might be able to show you a measurement as well. Not right now, but I'll add it in the video. And yeah, I was listening to some tunes. So this might be too loud. Well, we'll see. Let's play a tune. A matter of fact, I'm just gonna play 3 tunes and do something else in the meantime. Well, something else. I mean, I'm just not gonna sit here and spoil the recording. So first off, well, I'm not even gonna mention them. I'm gonna mention them in the description, because maybe I'll skip one because I think, well, it's not that really nice. Change my mind often, so there we go. 3 or 4 tunes in a row. Just because, well, I didn't do anything. There is, by the way, you can see a contraption I made earlier this day, which is apparently not interesting because I'm not showing that. But it's sort of a large tweeter with a horizontal ribbon thingy. I made smaller versions in the past, so it can work, but making it larger is not making it easier. So if you're interested in what I made there, then you should look at the older Neo ribbon version thingy, which is the same but smaller. And this does not work that well. Pretty cool. Oh! Next song.
he's not there, I won't be there, I'm only here. Memories are now, I can carry this weight, I can stand up tall, look you in the eye. You haven't broken me yet, you don't scare me to death, you don't scare me at all, though you try. I've lived enough life, I've earned my stripes, with my knife in the ground, this is mine, clear the way. I'm going through, no matter.
I must say, I really like these. It slows down every now and then. Really cool.
Go find some other life to ruin. Let me show you. The only fear is a thing called fear. I'm only here. I have only now to bear the load, to feel my way, trust my mistakes. I've seen you before, I know your face. I fell for that line, shame on you. You've got this idea, I can be fooled again with the line, shame on me. Clear the way. I'm going through, no matter what you say. I've got work to be doing. If you're not here to help, go find some other life to ruin. You have outstayed your welcome. Best get up, get on, get moving, get moving, get moving, get moving. Let me show you. Memories are now. Memories are now. Memories are now. And every doubt is just a trigger proving strength. Clear the way. I'm coming through, no matter what you say. I've got work to be doing. You're not here to help, go find some other life to ruin. Take a bite out of me, find you've got more than you're happy chewing. You have outstayed your welcome. Let's get up, get on, get moving, get moving, get moving, get moving, get moving. Let me show you. Memories are now. Sweet dreams are made of these. We're made to disagree. I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. I travel the world and the seven seas. Yeah, everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. Ooh. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Por un paro de
Pardon? I'll have to reset the camera because it will stop soon. Be right back. So, that's song number 3. I'll do one more. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. Who knows?
Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled, the thought unlocked. Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled, the thought unlocked. Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled, the thought unlocked. Strongest taste, loudest drop, head is filled. You'd be 13, I'd be 35. Gone to find a place for us to hide. Be together but alone as the need for it has grown. You'd be 13, I'd be 35. Gone to find a place for us to hide. Be together but alone as the need for it has grown, yeah. Cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha. Cha-cha, cha-cha. A cave or a shed, a car or a bed, a hole in the ground or a burial mound, a bush or a tree or the Egan Sea will do for me. Cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Oh, I can't say that you look pretty. at the cellar, a wishing well, a war or a guarantee will do for me. For you I found a cell on the top floor of a prison, just enough space for you to fit your feet in. If you go, do let me know. For you I found a cell on the top floor of a prison, just enough space for you to fit your feet in. If you go, please let me know. Oh, I come running with a heart on fire. 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 Oh, I come running with a heart on fire. I come running with a heart on fire. I come running with a heart on fire.
Very nice.
I knew this time it would be different, I told you. I knew this time.
Also very nice, but not my intention. Well, anyhow, yeah, so if you're probably in the vicinity of the Netherlands, if you would be interested in buying two, well, actually you must see it like this, two woofers that are rather new. I mean, the video is like half a year old, I think, that I replaced these woofers. So if you're interested in a housing with a woofer and a tweeter that I made, push-pull, and well, used as you can hear right now, then please contact me. I'm not looking for big money. I'm just want to get rid of those because they're just standing here and I'm not doing anything with them. Well, now I am, but usually I don't. So, well, and I can use all the money right now for the charger stuff, which is a little bit more boring, but well, essential for me at least, because yeah, that's my income. So thank you for watching. I'll leave the names of the bands in the description, of course. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Yes, and I have finally plants. So that's why there's a green leaf in there, because I'm pretty proud of me having plants. Finally. See ya.